It's Father's Day and I'm making my dad's favorite lamb shank ragù with gnocchi. But I need a wine to go with it. A seriously good one. Let's get cooking. Lamb shanks into a pot and we're gonna brown that off. We're gonna form a beautiful brown crust on the outside of the lamb. So while the meat is browning, let's prep our veggies. This is gonna be the base of our sauce. We're going carrots, celery, onions, the usual suspects. That's the color we're looking for. Before you add your sun-dried tomato, pesto, and stock, we're gonna add a little bit of our seriously old dirt. And again, that's just all for flavor. The shanks go back into the sauce. The lid's gonna go on, and you're going to cook this until you have to look at it, and it should separate from the bone. That tender. Ooh, that's good. It's seriously good. It's been almost 3 hours. Let's have a look. I'm gonna add some pitted Kalamata olives. It's gonna add a slight saltiness, which contrasts so beautifully with the sweetness of the lamb. I'm gonna add some whole cherry tomatoes. These are gonna cook and start bursting into the sauce. So very important in this step not to stir, but rather fold. You don't wanna break up the chunks of lamb. This is a stellar Father's Day recipe. Cheers.